1,000 subscribers. A big thank you to all of you. In this video, I will do everything I told you guys. I will do it when I reach 1k. This video is long, but you will see many different things in this video. So let's get started. So a lot of you guys have been asking me for YouTube growing tips, and here I am with the few I think are very important. Tip number 1. Make good videos. So the most important thing to get subscribers out of viewers is to make a good video. Your video should have clear audio and video. It should be well edited, and if you don't know anything about editing, then learn it because it is very important. And trust me, there are a lot of easy editing softwares you can use like Camtasia for PC, Vita for mobile, and if you are using iOS, you can use iMovie. Tip number 2. Thumbnails and titles are important. You guys have seen my thumbnails and titles and they look good because I have spent a lot of time on them. Now, if you are good at Photoshop, then no problem. But if you aren't, then you can just learn it from YouTube. And trust me, there are awesome tutorials out there. Also for titles, you need to be as short and clear as possible. Also you have to use keywords which are very important for ranking in SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Tip number 3. Optimize your videos. So just knowing how to upload does not work. You have to optimize your video with keywords, tags and many other things. And to do that, you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Or I'll say use both. I use them both and both are really awesome. Also, vidIQ has a Discord server with awesome people like YouTubers. There you can chat with them and get better and also help them. Tip number 4. Be consistent. You have to make videos to grow on YouTube or else the algorithm won't promote your videos. Keep making videos, be consistent, and if you ask me, you should upload at least one video every week. If your content isn't that hard to make, like I have more than 150 videos on my channel and many more videos outside YouTube. Also, I'm very good at this technical stuff, so I upload so often. Tip number 5. Other stuff. So other than these things, you should take care of the points I'm telling you right now. First of all, speak in your videos. Don't put just loud background music. This is a thing I've seen in many YouTube channels and I think this is wrong. Neither you nor anyone else will be interested in a YouTube video with no voiceover. And keep in mind, do not use text to speech. That's the most horrible thing you can do with your videos. It's so annoying and sounds really bad. So these were some tips I think are important for growing on YouTube and getting subscribers from views. I have some resources that can help you in making good videos and I've put their links in the description. You can just check that out. So guys, Energon GFX challenged me to make a thumbnail for Apex Legends, the mobile version of it. So I'll make a live stream thumbnail. So let's get started. So first of all, we have this canvas and then we can just let me think. First get some assets. Here we are in the transparent section. Let's see what I can get here. Let's try this one. Yeah, I think this looks good. I'll put it in right and it's a bit blur, so let's make it sharper. Yeah, you can see this is looking better. Let's click on OK. Let's get some inspiration. So it's red and I have some paper here. Let's see this and I'll color it. Here we go. This is looking really cool. So guys, I've made this thumbnail. Here you can see this is looking really good. Apex Legends live stream. Here you can see. Then we have this shining thing, like this is the light. Then we have the dark areas. Then we have this paper texture. You can see if I remove that, that will not look good. So here you can see this adds a depth to it. Then we have this stone-like texture on the Apex Legends logo. This is shining. This is looking really good. So I am just finished. Like you can see, this is the final thumbnail. You can just go and vote in community tab. This was all for the thumbnail competition. So I have some announcements. First, I am starting a new series for Scratch Basics, and also I am deleting the old one because I think that wasn't basic and informative enough. And this is not the only series that is getting renewed. Also, the OS series wasn't good enough. Also, I may or may not renew the shooter series. Second, I am starting a new YouTube channel called, the name of the new channel is Rhythm Griplani, and on it I'll post random videos. You can just check that out. The link is in the description and also in the channel's featured channel section. On this channel, I will post videos that are not much related to Scratch. Also, I may start a new YouTube channel for shorts called McVincient Shorts, but I am not sure. Third, from now on, videos are going to be way better than ever before. And fourth, as I've reached 1000 subscribers, I have the access to community tab, which I'll use to conduct polls, and you guys will be voting. Also, I will announce everything there, so keep checking my community posts. So this was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for 1000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.